Tonight, a new motion has been filed in the Hedingham mass shooting civil case. Survivors of the victims are asking the judge to hold Austin Thompson and his father Alan liable for the murders of 5 people. WRAL's Willie Danley has been talking with legal experts and joins us live from the Wake County Courthouse. Willie, what is this going to mean for the Thompsons?
Gerald, this means that upcoming trial could look very different. In these court documents, the families of the victims and the survivors are asking the judge to find Austin Thompson and Alan Thompson liable immediately. That would make the upcoming trial focus on the damages that would be paid to the survivors and the families of the people who died. A major step tonight in the civil case tied to the 2022 Hedingham mass shooting. In this 5-page motion, survivors and families of those killed are asking a judge to rule Austin Thompson legally responsible for the massacre and hold his father Alan liable for allowing his son access to firearms. Attorney Seth Bloom says because both father and son already pleaded guilty in the criminal case, the civil case can now move much faster.
They pled guilty to the various crimes. They established that they were responsible, according to plaintiffs, for any damages that flowed from those crimes. And if they can prove this through an admission before trial, it makes it a lot easier to resolve the case.
The mass shooting that killed 5 people and injured several others devastated the Triangle, and the subsequent criminal proceedings forced survivors and victims' families to relive that agony. I asked Bloom whether the defense has any realistic path to stopping the motion from being granted.
It would be tough. I mean, they did go to court. They swore to tell the truth, and they admitted their criminal guilt. And when they do that, anything that has become a legal fact in one case can be used in another case.
If granted, the ruling could spare survivors and victims' families from reliving key parts of the shooting in a lengthy civil trial. The judge has not yet ruled on this motion, but if they do rule in favor, it would make this a much more expedited process. We are going to continue to follow this motion and the trial on July 6th. Willie Danley, WRAL News in downtown Raleigh.
Thank you, Willie. WRAL has tracked this case since 2022. Our coverage on WRAL.com gives you the history of the case, as well as details about the Thompsons and the victims. Just search Hedingham shooting.